Guys, it's a lot going on. It's March Madness. It's tax season. We got a little bit of extra coin on us. So let me tell you and show you this awesome wig that I love that's so easy to put on. Anybody can put it on. You don't have to be a pro. Let's just get into it. But first, let me show you everything that came in my box really quick. Like really quick, because we got to get into the greatness of this wig. Also, here's the inside. You got some tape over here. It's pre-parted. Combs throughout. Adjustable band to make it glueless. And a drawstring at the back. You guys, I already know this is my favorite texture of hair. This is not moving. Like, it's not moving. Oh my gosh. Before I move any further, guys, I'm just gonna peel this back a little bit and tip my lace up here at the front. Actually, let me take it off and do that. Okay, now that we've done that, look how natural this hairline is. Just look at it, all right? Here's my trick to making it to where it don't move. First of all, the glueless band in the inside, and then this adjustable strap, we're just gonna pull it. And we're gonna make this as snug to our head as possible. That's comfortable. Just pull it. And I like to do this before the ear tabs to see how it's gonna sit on my head before I even put the ear tabs on here. Right, we got some ear tabs over here. That's tape. We're just gonna pin both of the ear tabs down. I have my sides down with the tape, but I'm just gonna take a regular hairspray and make sure that this is melted right here. Just right on the lace. All right, guys, water and conditioner. And while we talk, I'm just gonna wet this a little bit. This is 13 by 6, meaning that it has free parting range. So here's a close-up of the hairline, but let me show you like if you want to make this a side part, you can. Let me get you a good little part here. You don't have to keep it at a middle part, which most likely I want because I am a what? Flip over girl. This is a bye-bye knots wig, meaning that it is pre-bleached and the scalp looks very realistic on this wig, guys. Of course, it's glueless and beginner friendly because I've hardly done anything, right? And I'm almost done. No long installation process. That's what we all love. This literally took me a few minutes. So if you're a busy mom, you got last minute plans, you just want a new dependable wig because you got extra money right now from tax season, we call it the refund glow up, child. Treat yourself right now, especially if you don't have time like me to glue a wig down every day. That's the full length, guys. Look at all of this body. It's just so flowy and bouncy and fluffy like. I absolutely love this hair. I think I'm real cute. It's back dry. It looks wet because it has like that conditioner in it. There's like so many things you can do with this and it's so easy to put on. Right. So of course I will make sure I leave the information to Beautyforever Hair below. I love them over there. This is an awesome quick wig. You guys need one. Trust me, you do. I will link everything below.